The following is idea multiplication. This is taking an idea and proceeding to make it robust, exciting, and powerful. There are a couple different ways to help entrepreneurs further develop their business plan from their initial idea. One of these methods is called IDEO. There are 4 basic steps in this process. The first step is to gather stimuli. The second step is to multiply stimuli. The third step is to create customer concepts. And the fourth is to optimize. First phase is to gather stimuli. IDEO does this through a process called customer anthropology. This is where the team observes customers in action in their natural environment and identifies their pain points. The job is to observe, ask questions, and record information while customers are shopping. As entrepreneurs, we need to be careful we ask open-ended questions so that we don't shape their response in our product or service's favor. Typically, stimuli is collected as a team, which will result in your team having multiple explanations on what you've learned. The next phase is to multiply stimuli. This is where team members analyze their findings and come up with solutions. Saying yes and while adding to your team members' ideas helps you build an idea, whereas saying that won't work because will prematurely kill an idea. Instead, it is better to say your idea won't work and here's why. This will help you grow your idea. Third phase is to create customer concepts. This is building a mock-up of the product that doesn't need to be functional. This is just to give the team a visual of the final product to see the features and correct any weaknesses. However, if your team is working on a service, then the mock-up isn't required. You could use an abstract model instead. For example, a restaurant would be able to use a menu as an abstract model. During the fourth phase, people tend to overdevelop. Therefore, it's important to define what's inessential, impractical, and too expensive. IDEO developers say it's critical to optimize. Throughout all 4 of these steps, it's required to learn, adjust, and refine. This process helps lower costs compared to if you immediately opened up a business without going through the IDEO process.